Today I just cut it off, and I'm going to spray some kid rust in here, and I put a plate on it, but I'm going to put the plate from the inside because there's a well here, see, it comes straight down. So I put the plate on the inside. This is the plate I made. I put a handle on it so I can grab it. So what actually happens, it goes in like this, and then hang on, I'm trying to do it with the camera holding, and I pull tight. And it will go in like that, and weld it on. Pull it tight, and then I weld it. That's it. It'll be from the inside. Ah! The bug is they don't even paint from the factory. They don't even paint behind the hinges, look. That's 40 years without paint. Bastard. Oh well. This side is ready. I made a little door so I can get in and out. See? That's better. With the undercoat on it, look. Bastards. They're very poor workmanship. They don't care. As long as they can sell it and get it out of the way. Okay.